We are going to take a look at a Disa NFP-2A 15 horsepower 5000 CFM dust collector. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This is a Disa NFP-2A open dust collector that is designed for interior applications. This is a very clean dust collector with newer filter bags. The 15 horsepower material fan motor runs at 1,750 RPM and produces up to 5,000 CFM. Remember, this is a 15 horsepower 5,000 CFM dust collector at a 14-inch inlet with a static pressure of 11.3 to 12.4 inches on a water gauge. The bottom discharges into 4 plastic disposal bags. The included inlet adapter is a 14-inch Nordfab quick fit flange.